What's going on, Facebook fam? This your boy Jeff Baylock here with another tip on relationship spiciness 101. Tip number 4. Fellas, see all this? Ladies, see all that? When this bitch looking like Grady, motherfucking episode of Castaway. Fellas, this is unacceptable. You have to be well groomed. Not because of your work, not because when you go outside and woo woo woo, but your woman wants her man to be handsome. You can't be handsome walking around doing like this. And my woman, she been telling me to cut my hair for a while. It's been a clean almost 2 months since I had a haircut. And I'm the type of person where I don't give a shit. Like, I don't care what people think of me. I don't care what people think I look like. I know what I look like when I have a haircut, you know. So it doesn't matter if I get it or not. I'm not trying to press nobody. But my woman kept picking on me and said, hey, get your hair cut or I'm going to get you a cut in your sleep. You don't want that shit, fellas. So keep yourself well groomed. Your woman likes that. They'll think you sexy again. Take advantage of it, because at the end of the day, women, y'all can do all types of things to yourself. Y'all can put on the makeup, the eyeliner, the lipstick, get your hair done, foundation, whatever you want to call it. And fellas, all we got is a lining. It's fucked up. That's all we got. And if that shit don't work, fucked up. Hope that helps you guys. Tune in for another video for Relationship Spiciness 101, Tip 5. And take care. Go ahead to the barbershop. That's why I'm finna head to the barbershop right now as we speak. Because I'll be damned if she look at another nigga. Keep it spicy, my friends.